How to recover deleted chats on Instagram on iPhone. So problem is very simple. You opened up Instagram, maybe you happen to delete a certain chat with someone over here by long pressing on it or whatever else, right? But you still want to get that chat. Now you will not find them inside the chat again unless you have installed some third-party app to track the chats. That's not possible. But what you can do is you can request Instagram to download your data. When you download the data, it will also include the chats that you had, whether or not they had been deleted. So come to Profile tab, tap the three lines option. In the search bar, simply type in download your information and tap on download your information here, right? Once you're here on this page, you can see download or transfer information. Click on that. Select only some of your information, right? Because we don't want to download everything. What we will do is make sure it's a correct Instagram account, and we will only select messages. Once you select messages, we can tap on next, and we can download it to our device. Tap on next, and once done, we can simply create files and notify a certain email. You can choose a date range. Now it will not be visible inside the Instagram app, but you can use some file opener to open it up, and then you'll be able to read the chat. It will most likely be in maybe a PDF or other format. It'll be in a document format, by the way, and you'll be able to see, you can see HTML format here, but you can change this to JSON and import the data, and you'll be able to find them. But it gives you a context. This is how you can do it. You have to download the information by asking from Instagram directly and view the messages inside that file. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.